Welcome to the Boat Show. Today we're coming to you from beautiful Washington, North Carolina. A charming small city nestled on the northern banks of the Pamlico River, a brackish estuary leading to the home of MJM Yachts that designs and builds outboard and inboard luxury performance yachts in their own Carolina Down East style. MJM is a family-owned manufacturer with a strong heritage and identity for boat building. So before we can go out and see how these beautiful vessels are built, we have to talk about design and engineering. And here we have Will Honeycutt, lead design and engineer here at MJM, creating very precise parts with no parasitic wastes. All these parts are cut from PVC foam, which are specifically engineered for each specific part of the boat. Different foams with variable densities based on strengths, loads, and engineering needs. An important part of an engineering process is all these pieces are tied together with a bow tie, which I'll show you later. So what sets MJM apart from everybody else in its class is the infusion process, and that starts right here. First of all, we have our mold of our hull, just like any other manufacturer. So once all the parts are cut, we come over to the mold and we lay down E-glass,
coring in variable densities, and then lay down some more E-glass, and then it's ready for infusion.
Now you can see the infusion process behind me, right? Oh no, you can't? That's right, it's classified, and that's what sets it apart from everybody else.
The vacuum pulls 2,000 pounds per square foot to sandwich materials and eliminate air voids.
What makes MJM boats so strong and light is the proprietary computer mixed epoxy resin. So the most important part in the infusion process is the bake, or the post-curing. And here we have the control unit for the oven right here. It has 32 thermocouples in it, which gives us a gradual heating up and a gradual cooling down. And all these parts are put into the oven outside the mold, so we get nice, even distribution of heat. Now here is where you can see everything come together in the other processes before it. This one's just come out of the mold, and you can see the bow ties right here in my hand, you can see in the finished product. So we have our very accurate parts that are locked together with that bow tie. So what's the net results from the infusion process? It's a 70-30 glass to resin finished product that is unheard of in the industry. Glass is strength and resin is weight. So when you typically go into a boating manufacturer, you're going to see the stringer system. Guess what? No system here, it's one single part. That's right, it's a single part vacuum infused. So myself and my cameraman could actually pick this part up if OSHA would allow it. So the added benefit is better strength and lower weight, better performance for your boat. Check out this beautifully finished deck, but there's a lot more going on than meets the eye. That's right, the decks are also part of the infusion process, decreasing weight by 25 to 30%. And there's more because the hard tops are in the infusion process as well for a more stable ride and lighter weight. So we all want a quiet, comfortable ride when we're out on the water. And another advantage to the infusion process is a lower vibration profile on this vessel while we're underway, which gives us a more comfortable and quiet ride. So all the wiring and wiring harnesses are created right here in-house. They're labeled for easy reading and organized so you can access them easily while on board.
Check out the woodworking happening right here, and the whole side shiplap comes in cherry.
And the woodworking here is maple, and this goes right in the drawer. Here you go, JP. And all over the boat, you'll find man-made solid surface materials, and they're easy to clean and it increases weight reduction. And even the small parts are infused and hand finished on both sides. Every MJM goes through a thorough sea trial before it gets handed off to its owners. And all that manufacturing process shows right here in the boat. Innovative, high-tech, post-cured epoxy composite construction. Lighter, faster, stronger, more efficient vessel. Now that you've seen how these beautiful yachts are designed and built from the inside out, what you really need to do is go to a local dealer, step aboard, and take one for a sea trial because you can see the high performance in what you get out of a better built yacht. You know, you as a consumer have many options out there. For more performance, you can hang more engines on a boat, but why do that when you can just design a better boat?